Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming permissions and locating the list URL so you can connect without interruptions. Open the Sharepoint list in your browser, inspect the view you want, and note column names and any filters because Excel pulls the current view schema. Once done, switch to Excel and choose Data, get data from online services from Sharepoint online list. This is the exact entry point. Make sure to use the list URL minus the / all items, ASP suffix so Excel can find the list resource. You will now create and refine the connection. Paste the Sharepoint site URL into the Get Data dialog, not the page URL, and sign in with the same Microsoft 365 identity that has list access. In the navigator, select the list and preview rows. This shows the raw payload. Next, choose Transform Data to open Power Query, where you can remove unwanted columns, fix types, and apply filters so Excel imports only the clean structure you need. Once satisfied, click Close and load to stage the data into a worksheet or data model. Finish by choosing where to load the table, worksheet for quick use or data model for pivot analysis, and verify that columns and values match Sharepoint. Then open connection properties to enable background refresh or set an automatic refresh schedule. This keeps Excel synchronized. If you later need updated structure, use refresh all. If something fails, first re-authenticate, confirm the exact site URL and list name, and check for changed column types. Mismatches are the most common cause of broken queries, and simple fixes usually restore the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.